What is up everyone, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Gmail SMTP server. So first off, head over to Gmail and then on the right on your account, click on Manage your Google account and then scroll down to bottom. On your left side, click on the security option and then here just make sure that the two-step verification is on. If it is not turned on, this won't work. After making sure that the two-step verification is turned on, in the search bar, type in app password. Now click here on app passwords. In your app name, just simply write SMTP and then click on create. Now here it will show the app password for your device. Keep this open and then in the new tab, type in Gmail and then open the SMTP test tool. Now here in the SMTP server, just type in smtp.gmail.com and then in the port bar type in 465. Then in the security go and select SSL. Now in the username you just have to enter your email. And then in the password section, we will just write this password. Now in the from and in the to email address, you just have to write your email address in both of these sections and then just click on test it to test this tool. Now I'll just go on my mail and just check that if it has sent me a test message. As you can see, here's the test message from SMTP. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.